I'm Rajiv Gupta. I'm the Chief Executive Officer of EGE Global Education. EGE Global Education is a network of several consultants and academic leaders and people from the corporate world who have come together to guide students who want to pursue education in overseas countries like US, UK, Canada and the Europe. What EGE essentially does is that any student who aspires to pursue education in any of these countries, we guide them and counsel them and try to find out which is the best course, which is the best country, and which is the best university for that particular student. Our experience has shown that many times students just have a broad idea that they want to go abroad for foreign education, but they are not very clear about what are their goals after they complete that education. Because as we all know, doing an education from overseas is not only time consuming, but also it costs a lot. So where EGE comes in is the first step that we undertake is to help the student to identify his or her career goals as to why he or she wants to pursue the education abroad in the first place. After that, we try to understand the academic profile of the student, what he has done so far, what does he want to do. We also try to understand the other interests, the extracurricular activities of the student. When we look at all these factors, we are able to give them the best advice which is most suited to them for where they should go and study, which country, which course, which university. Now this information today is easily available on the internet, but just having information from the internet is not enough. So what we have done is we have set up physical offices in countries which are the most sought after destinations like US, Canada, Europe, United Kingdom and Singapore. We have a physical presence there, and our offices there are manned by people who have either studied there, who have lived there, and who have been part of the university system in some or the other way. So the unique thing about EGE is that the counselors who are based in India, who understand the Indian students and their need very well, work together with the counselors who are based in the destination countries. They both work together on the profile of the student and guide them, mentor them, counsel them as to where they should go so that they can ultimately achieve their dreams. The whole idea of setting up this company is to enable people to actually identify what they want to do in life and find their educational and career path to get there. This in a nutshell is what EGE is about.